Mike with Rockaway. We're in ABCC, or Atlantic Beach Country Club. It's out here giving a fresh new front yard and backyard. Pretty much all the houses in here have the same exact landscaping throughout, and what they want to do is just spruce it up a little bit. So they gave us a call, and this is what we came up with. So out front we have bend board separating all the turf and the bed lines now. Got lots and lots of foliage in here. So got our palm trees, of course. Got the hibiscus, a red hibiscus, gives it a little bit of pop of color out front here. Cardboard palms, ferns, blue days. We got a little saw palm in the back, birds of paradise, irises. Mr. and Mrs. Mann have been really awesome with everything. Literally been with me every step of the way, telling me what they want and what they don't want, what they do like and what they don't like. All right, so on the side yard here, we had lots and lots of bushes, literally filled out to where the palm trees are. So there was no access through here. Literally you had to walk everything and hand everything through here. So what we did was came in and we ripped everything out. Literally gave a clean slate again on the side yard. We had a bend board all the way down and throughout. She had lots of these liriope. We transplanted all those, gave it a little bit of color on this side instead of making it an all hardscape over here. Antonio and Elseo ended up adding in the nice curvy flagstone that you see through here. Miss Man really loves the curves. And then we top dressed everything with the white river rock. This is 1.5 inch river rock out here. Underneath all this that you don't see is the weed mat. We got drip irrigation running throughout, and also our awesome lighting. And this is their main entrance to the backyard. So we just kind of gave them a couple path lights throughout just to help illuminate everything for them. And again, we still have to top dress a little bit of this flagstone just so there's no tripping hazards. But I really think Antonio and Elseo really did a great job out here. Everything's really level, nothing's moving around. And then for our grand finale is we're moving to the backyard now. So this is where a lot of our work happened this past week. We had lots of apostle iris throughout. There's still a good amount of transplants in this yard. We top dressed everything with pine bark throughout. They had a spa put in. We came around, added the bend board around, so I have a 1 foot buffer around the whole entire spa here. Added the white river rock to kind of accent it. We have a couple more pieces of flagstone to add in for the steppers throughout. My favorite part of the whole entire project was the turf. It really makes everything come together back here. It's really simple and really clean. We sanded it and then turf brushed everything. And that's pretty much all the maintenance you have to do to this stuff. There is no watering unless if you want to cool it down. You don't have to worry about the dogs peeing or pooping on this stuff. You can literally, with the sand that we use, it helps biodegrade the pee and the poo. So you don't have to worry about it. Literally, you just scoop it off, wash it down, and there is no smells, no odors, no nothing. Literally, low maintenance. So I really dig this. We have the lemon tree. We had a couple accident boulders throughout. Again, we have a flagstone stepper walkway. The carpentry at Rockaway is going to be adding a fence into the back here. So our carpentry's coming in clutch there. Back here, we got a couple of natives called the button bush. Again, we have some crotons, the chocolate liriope, or chocolate loropetalum, the irises. We got some beauty berries, and of course our muley grasses. Top dressed everything with the pine bark. Just made everything tie in together, look really clean. Right now it don't look very clean because we literally just finished with it, so we gotta like do our final little grading of everything. So the biggest issue about this whole entire project, main reason why they gave us a call was because of the drainage. So we always stress it. We live in Florida, summer days, it's hot, rains are coming. They live on a golf course that has it's like a drain that just drains out, and literally that drain floods into the neighbor's yard and our yard, unfortunately. Our solution for the problem was we rocked it, the whole entire perimeter of the swale. So it's nice and level with the neighbor's yard. We added the bend board throughout, but what you don't see is the channel that I have made between the two all the way down. But there's actually a giant swale all the way through just to help channel that water out into the road. So we're not having no undermining of their awesome looking yard, because the neighbors' yards look really awesome too. So we're just trying to match everything up. Of course, the bend board's gonna stop the mulch from falling over onto the rock, and then the rock's gonna help everything escape out of here. And remember, anything you need, maintenance, carpentry, hardscape, landscape, irrigation, don't stress it. We literally can take care of any of your problems or issues. You give us a shout and we'll figure it out.